Hello everyone. Let's go straight into something that quietly gives an AI project its backbone, the AI project charter. An AI project charter is a formal document that authorizes the AI initiative, defines its purpose, aligns stakeholders, and establishes high-level direction, authority, and boundaries. Now, let me explain this in very simple everyday language. The AI project charter is the moment where everyone agrees, yes, this project exists, this is why it exists, and this is what success should look like. In phase one of business understanding, this document is not paperwork, it's clarity on paper. Think of it like a map before a journey. You don't need every turn yet, but you need to know where you're starting and where you're headed. Stay with me for a moment. A strong charter doesn't slow AI down, it keeps it from drifting. Now let's gently open the first core idea inside the charter, the business purpose and problem statement. The charter clearly states the business problem or opportunity the AI initiative intends to address. Let me explain this simply. This part answers one question: why are we doing this at all? In an AI project, this is critical because technology can distract us. The charter forces us to describe the problem in plain business language, not technical language. You might have seen projects start with we want AI instead of we want fewer errors or we want faster decisions. That's a warning sign. I once reviewed the AI charter that said improve forecasting accuracy. We rewrote it as reduce stockouts during peak demand. Suddenly, everyone understood the value. A clear problem statement anchors the entire project. Now, let's move smoothly into objectives and success criteria. Another key charter component, the charter defines high level objectives and measurable indicators of success. Let me explain this gently. This is where we decide what good looks like before we start building anything. In phase one, we don't need perfect metrics, but we do need shared expectations. Are we aiming to reduce cost, save time, improve accuracy, or reduce risk? You might have seen AI teams celebrate technical success while business leaders stay silent. That usually means objectives were never aligned. I once saw a team finish an AI project and ask, is this done? The answer wasn't clear because the charter never defined success. Clear objectives turn confusion into confidence. Now let's talk about scope assumptions and constraints, which the official study guide highlights as essential charter elements. Let me explain this in simple words. This part says what the project will do and just as importantly, what it will not do. In AI projects, scope creep happens fast. New ideas appear, new data sources get suggested. Without boundaries, the project slowly collapses under its own ambition. You might have seen AI pilots grow bigger and bigger until nothing gets finished. That's a missing scope conversation. I once helped a team add one sentence to their charter. This phase will not automate decisions. That single line saved months of debate. Constraints are not limitations, they are protections. Now let's talk about roles, responsibilities, and governance, another critical charter component. Uh, the charter identifies key stakeholders, decision authority, and accountability. And let me explain this gently. AI projects fail when no one knows who decides what. In phase one, the charter makes leadership visible. Who owns the business outcome? Who approves changes? Who is responsible for ethical and data decisions? You might have seen AI projects stuck in endless meetings because no one has authority. That's a charter gap. I once worked with a team where progress accelerated simply because the charter clearly named a single business owner. Decisions became faster overnight. Clear ownership reduces friction and builds trust. Let's bring everything together now. In phase one of business understanding, the AI project charter is a document that turns ideas into intention, defined in the official study guide as authorizing and guiding the AI initiative. The charter aligns purpose, people, expectations, and boundaries from day one. It doesn't lock the project, it steadies it. It doesn't predict everything, it prevents confusion. Think of the AI project charter like a handshake written down. Everyone agrees, everyone commits, and everyone knows what they're part of. As you prepare for the PMI CPMI exam and for real world AI leadership, remember this powerful truth. Strong AI projects don't start with models or data. They start with shared understanding. And the AI project charter is where that understanding becomes real, visible, and trusted. Before a single algorithm ever runs, we are going to discuss identifying hidden stakeholders in details in next chapter.